Good morning. Today is cold plunge day 30. Day 30. Okay. Let's get in there. Whew. Oh my gosh. 30 days. I never would have guessed that I would have done this for 30 days straight. Never, ever, ever. Although I am kind of into streaking. I've mentioned this before, but we have been running a mile a day for over 4 years now and haven't missed a day. And so I think definitely into streak challenges. But with this cold plunging, man, yeah, I don't know what it is about it, but there's something about it for sure. My friend yesterday, I was talking to one of my friends about it. She saw me and she said, "Wow, you look really great. Like, you look healthy and you just look really good." And I was like, "Yeah, I feel amazing. I feel I mean, in conjunction with this, as you know, we've not been drinking too. We stopped drinking 4 months ago. And I just feel so good. My body feels good. I am sleeping good. I have more energy. And with the cold plunging, I think I think it has benefits for your body. But it's also with cold plunging, I feel like just the mental, my mental game has definitely shifted from cold plunging. I just really feel like every day when I do this, that there's something in my brain that shifts, and it's like, if I can do this hard thing, I can take on anything today. It becomes, this mental shift in your brain that it's pretty awesome. I would encourage anybody to do this and just try it. But I think one of the things is creating a habit and doing it for so many days that then it becomes where it's like a habit, and your body actually and your mind want to do it. And so all you folks out there, I encourage you to make it a habit, to try it, do a streak, do a 30-day streak. Today was 30 days for me, 90 days for Damien, which just blows my mind. It's amazing. And that's one thing. I would not be doing any of this without his encouragement. I think Damien's kind of like this ball of energy, encouraging energy. And I've said this before, but I'm so happy that he's my partner and my husband. He's amazing and always encouraging me to step out of my box and do hard things. And I think that's part of the reason for starting this channel, and he is such an encourager, and he gets people just to pumped up to try these things, and they're great things that are life-changing. So I hope that, I hope that this will change one of your lives as well. So today I'm going 5 minutes because I just wanted to do that for my 30th day. I wasn't planning on it, but I've been in here talking, so now I'm like, I'm only 10 seconds away, might as well go for it. Pretty extreme change from my first day when I thought I was going to die. So thank you, Damien, for encouraging me. And everyone have a great day.